There was once a traveler named Rafi who had journeyed across deserts, crossed wild rivers, and climbed mountains in a search of a place known only through whispers, the city of light. Some said it was a myth, a fable told by wandering saints. Others said it was real, but hidden, its gate only open to those who were truly ready. Rafi believed. One morning, after years of walking through forests and dust-laden roads, he found a towering gate carved into a cliff face, vines draped over its arch, and golden light trickled through the cracks. In front of the gate sat an old man, crossed-legged on a mat of woven reeds. His eyes were shut, and a calm surrounded him like the hush before a monsoon. Rafi approached, heart pounding. "Is this the city of light?" he asked. The old man opened one eye and smiled. "It is." "Then let me in," Rafi said. "I have come a long way. I have suffered hunger, storms, and betrayal. I'll give up everything for this journey." The old man nodded. "What have you found along the way?" Rafi blinked. I found pain and hope. I found people who lied and people who fed me without asking my name." "Then you have found something," the man said, "but you may not enter yet." Rafi's shoulders dropped. "Why not?" "You are still searching," said the gatekeeper, "and the city doesn't welcome those still looking outside for what lies within." Rafi was angry. "Do you mean all this was for nothing? All my sacrifice?" The man didn't answer. He simply pointed to the smooth stone nearby. "Sit," he said. So Rafi sat. A day passed. Then two. The gatekeeper spoke rarely. Instead, they watched the sun rise and set, shared simple meals, and listened to the sound of wind waving through the trees. On the sixth day, Rafi broke the silence. "What do you guard behind that gate?" The gatekeeper smiled gently. "I do not guard what's behind the gate. I guard the person in front of it." Rafi stared at him, confused. "You think the city is somewhere to reach," said the man. "But the city is not a destination. It's a reflection. You do not enter it. You welcome it." At that moment, something shifted to Rafi. All the stories, the suffering, the longing, that no longer felt like burdens. They felt like teachers. He closed his eyes and breathed. When he opened them again, the gate was only sky, only light, only silence, and he understood the journey had never been about reaching the city. It had always been about becoming the kind of man who no longer needed to.